Alright, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at how you can buy a domain name for your website. My name still remains Tunde Thomas Ifeigbe. Here are some registrars you can buy domain from. There are many registrars you can search. Just check domain name registrars. We have so many: Hostinger, we have Namecheap, we have GoDaddy, we have so many domain name, we have TrueHost and the likes, but I'm just going to be showing you few. So here we have Namecheap. This is Namecheap. They sell domain name. So if you want to search, you can search for domain name under Namecheap. They are good. Just come here, search for the domain. Let's say you are looking for a domain name called June 12th technology. Just type it on the search bar and search. Once it's available, you will be told that the name is available. And one good thing about this registrar, if any name is not available here, it cannot be available in other registrar. So you can see it said June 12th technology.com.ng. This is the amount is going for $9.58 yearly. That's what I will pay to get the domain name. You can see now. So this will be my domain name, www.june12technology.com. Or if I want to go for .org, I told you the difference between .com and .org or .net. So you see, .net is for 11.98. It's costlier. Then this one is cheaper. So if you scroll down, I'm seeing one for $79. Which one is that? So something for $79. Wow. June 12 technology.ai. So if I want to buy this now, I'm paying over $79 yearly to just buy the domain name. This is outside the hosting. So these are like www.com June12technology.xyz is going for just $2 yearly. So depend on what you want to buy, but without wasting your time, you can also come here and check. This one's their own is cheaper. Call it Domain King. Their URL is, that's when you say URL, I mean their website link, domainking.ng. domainking.ng. So this is what they do too. They are also registered. So let me copy this, my domain name here, and paste it to search under this particular registrar and see. You can see they are telling you that anytime you are buying .com is 9,900 naira. This one's they sell in naira, unlike others I said. Then if you add .com.ng, they are selling for you for 1,2. .ng alone is 6,000. .org 9,400. So that is it. So this is their price. So if I say .com now, watch, I'm going to be paying approximately 10,000. That's 9,900 naira. Let's search if it's available to me. So they will ask me to search. Once you see this captcha, just say you are not a robot. Click on it to tick good, and you say search. So want to see if it's available. It's searching. You can see, wow, it says congratulations, June12technology.com is available, and I'm to pay 9,900 naira. Now if I scroll down, okay, yeah, if I scroll down, you can see that they are telling me that if I want to buy .com, that same name, but I want to add an extension .com.ng, I will pay 1,200. So if it's this one I want to buy now, I will just do add this one to cart. Click on this add to cart here. Once you say add to cart, it has been added. Then it has changed to checkout now. So I will click checkout. So you can see it's telling me that I have not added the hosting plan. Look at this link here, and I say no hosting plan. So if I buy this now, I'm only buying a domain name. So definitely I will not have access to what we call the C panel, control panel. So I must add hosting. So what is their hosting? So from here, I can click no hosting. I will click to add hosting plan. Let's see. Now it has brought me to their web hosting. Web hosting. Make sure it's web hosting. Look at it. Web hosting plan. They have 3 plans here. Number 1 is the Sodia plan, Minister plan, and King plan. So depending on the one you want to go for, you can go for rate. So you can see this one has 4 gig disk space, unmetered bandwidth, You just read the criteria here, and there's a control panel. This one has 20, and in this one you can only host one website. What does it mean? If you buy this plan, you only have access to only one website under that plan. But if you buy this plan, you have access to 5 websites plan. That is, you have access to one main plan, then 4 add-ons domain. So that is for this plan. Then this King plan also have access to 50 gig. Let's go through their plan and see what they have for you. So if you want to add, let's assume you want to add this now. Now these prices are for 1 month only, so they are charging 900 naira per month to host this. This one they are charging 3,000 per month. So if you are buying for 1 year, you know that you multiply 900 times 1 year. So I'll just say order now. So if I click order now, it will bring me here. So it's now telling me, do I want to use this my domain name? I'll say yes. If I want to register a new one, maybe I don't want to use this one, I'll say register a new one, but I'm still using it, so I'll say use domain. You can see now it has brought me here. Make sure I'm under this configure. You now come here and check. Look at it, billing cycle is telling you 900 for 1 month. So you are going for, if you are going for quarter, that's 3 months, you change it to 7. If you are going, this is very important, for 6 months 54. Then if you are going for 1 year, you are paying 10,800. So you see, as I'm picking now, the amount is changing here. So the next thing is just to say continue. So I'm to pay 10,008. Now they are giving me, they didn't charge me for the domain name again because I'm buying hosting. You can see now my name now has hosting plan. It's no longer in red, it's now in green. So because I'm buying hosting, they are giving me domain for free for 1 year. Mind you, these plans are 1 year, so you have to be renewing it annually. So the next thing, I'll say continue, and the next thing is to check out. If I have a promo code, I can add my promo code here. Once I add that promo code, the amount could be discounted, but now we don't have a promo code, so you just say, so you can see I have a web hosting and a domain name. You can see now they are not charging me for the domain name again, which was I was supposed to pay 124, because I'm buying them together. If I buy them separately, I have to pay 12, then pay this one 10,800. But now I'm just buying, so I'll just say checkout. So if I say checkout, they will now ask me to fill in my details. So here are my details, my name, everything, my billing address, everything. I'll put it here. Everything you can see I can fill automatically. I fill under here Abuja code. I put just 09, anything I like there. Then I'll scroll down. Then I will now create a password. Mind you, remember this password because it's going to work with whatever email you are using. So if I generate this password, this password is what you now be using to log into your accounts with Domain King. Take note. So any password, I can say generate password for me, but it's not too good. Look at what they are generating for me. So the best thing, you can use your email password. Just create any password you are familiar with. Then at the end, once you go there, then you say I have. Make sure you tick this 10 seconds. I have. Then you complete your order. So you can now enter pay either through transfer, or if you say continue, you can ask you to pay through transfer. You can see now it's telling me error. You did not enter email address and I did not enter password. I already have account with them, so I don't want to do that. So you will now make payment. Once you make payment, they are going to send you an email. So let me quickly log into my email for you to see. So they will send you an email based on the email you fill. So they will send you email confirming your payments, your registration and your payment. So let me just quickly show you how the email will look like that you are going to be getting. So let me just search for Domain King. I have an account with them already. So let me search Domain King. But I have 2 accounts with them. Domain King. Okay. These are some of their messages I have been receiving. So there's a particular message you will receive confirming your payment. It's an invoice payment. Domain King. let's see. Let me just quickly search. Okay, I want to see domain registration. Let's see this. What is here? Okay, dear Thomas, June 12 technology, blah blah blah. This was the name I entered under my business name. Okay, that's not it. I'm looking for the invoice they will send you to confirm that you have paid, and at the same time, okay, now here's the invoice they send me that I've paid. Here's the invoice. Okay, this was when I have not paid, so after payment they will now confirm the invoice. Order confirmation. So this was where they confirm the order. Then if you scroll up a little, they will now send you your cPanel details. So called cPanel details. cPanel details. That cPanel details, you can see now it has changed to paid. It's showing paid now. Before it was showing unpaid red. It's now green here, the receipt. So I've paid here. So that is it. So they will now send you your cPanel details. That is what you use to log into your cPanel. So I'm going to be discussing cPanel in details. What is cPanel? That is where you can create email and do some other things on your website. All right. Thank you for listening. Okay, you can see now this is domain new. So under here, yes, this is what I'm looking for. You can see they will send you these details, these 3 details, cPanel login details. So if I click on this link now, they will ask me for my username. I put, I want to go to cPanel. So you can see now they're asking me for how do I access my cPanel. So the next thing is I'll just copy this, Ctrl+C, and paste it as my username. Then I'll come to this place, copy the password they gave me. They generated those things automatically for me to gain access. So Ctrl+C is to copy it again. I'll come here again and I will hit paste. So I can log in now from here I can log in saying invalid. Why? Because this has actually expired. So I can't actually access this thing. Normally it's supposed to log into my cPanel. Thank you. I'll be discussing cPanel in the next lessons. See you in the next class.